In this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Cloud SDK on your MacBook. To install Google Cloud SDK or gcloud, you have to go to this specific page, okay, and after that you have to go to this MACOS, and then you can see the first option is you have to install Python T. Okay, so I have another video how to install Python T on your MacBook Air. Okay, so you can follow that. You have to install Python T, and then you have to download this MacBook Air Apple Silicon this package, PKG package. I have already downloaded this. This is 55.6 MB. Okay, after you download this one, you have to go to the download directory. You have to cd to that download directory, and then you have to run this from there. Okay, so let me show you how I did. I have already downloaded the package to my, you can see I'm in the download directory. Okay, and I have run that installation script. Okay, you have to unzip that one, and then you have to run this .sh script. And then the first error you might be getting, this was the first error. Okay, invalid active developer path, and you need to install this Xcode. Okay, so you have to, if you are getting this kind of error, then you have to run this code there, run this command. Once you hit this, there is a pop-up. There will be a pop-up. You have to allow. Okay, after you allow, then this Xcode will be installed in 15 to 10 minutes. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to download and to install Xcode. Okay, and after that you can I didn't install the Python, so I installed the Python, and then you can see this is the confirmation code whether you have installed Xcode or not. Okay, so you can see I have already installed this Xcode, and then you need to run that. First, when I run that, there was an error. Okay, so you can see this was the error, and then I install this Xcode, and then after install of the Xcode, I run this Google Cloud SDK /install.sh script, and then you can see Google, welcome to Google Cloud SDK, and you have to say yes. Okay, and then again you have to say yes here. Okay, and then it will take time to install. You can see finally it was installed. Installation is done. You might be getting this kind of message. This is the final message, and this is the website. Okay, so once I was trying to do gcloud auth login, you can see this is the another error. Okay, zsh command was not found. So I tried to run the source sh dot I want to run this. I did that. I run this one, and you can see again there was error. Again I tried login, and again this. So finally I run this one. Okay, and then you can see when I run the Google Cloud SDK, it popped me up to log into the respective Google account. Okay, so you might be getting this type of issue. First issue, this is the error message, and second this one Xcode. Okay, so this is the solution how you can fix it. Okay, so if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.